2018 Ford Transit. This one is the XBT spec, the swing lift in the rear. Had its wet bolt done 15,000 miles ago. Will come with a fresh service and a 12 months MOT ready to go. As I said before, this one's got full swing lift kit in the rear. Also the vise. We have the heater, microwave, the diesel heater. This one's got everything ready to go. It's also got security locks. It's got the beacons on the roof. These come with a twin front seat, both heated. It's got backed up history right the way back with BT. These ones do sell fast, so move fast to save the disappointment. This will come with our warranty and can be delivered anywhere in the UK. Feel free to drop us a message or give us a call.